Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Justin Lin here at Rehab Revive Physical Therapy, where we rehab your mind to revive your body. So you want a better, faster way to foam roll your calves? Before we get to the rolling, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. We appreciate your support. Traditionally, you can foam roll the same muscle for hours. It just never feels quite loose enough. Here at Rehab Revive, I created a method called functional foam rolling for a better, faster, smarter way with longer lasting change. Here are the 5 functional foam roll principles or progressions. We want to first do breathing. Second, we want to do elongations, which is what people are traditionally used to. Third, we're going to do shearing. Fourth, we're going to do rotations. And then the final progression is active stretching. So let's get to the foam rolling. All right, so we have our half foam roll. I actually like it a little smaller. You can use the big ones, doesn't really matter. What your goal is, you want to be able to put that underneath your leg. We'll use your right leg. And you're gonna stack it on top, but before that, you wanna think about your calves in thirds. Upper third, middle third, lower third. And then you can go right across. So we're gonna stick with the 5 principles. I'm gonna move and use my left leg. This is what it looks like here. Once again, you stack your leg on top, do some breathing. After that, if you got the upper body strength, like I said, you do these elongations, but just stay focused. You don't have to go very far. Not everyone has to have a whole lot of upper body strength. Do that for 5 or 6 of them. You don't need to jam your wrists doing this. After that is shearing. So that's what that looks like. That's all that is. You're shearing it. Okay, then you're gonna do after that, these rotationals, really tender when you try to twist that around or make it like one of those rotisserie chickens rotating. All right. And then active elongation. That's all you have to do. Just do like 5, 6 of these. This is up way faster and more comprehensive, I think, than your traditional elongating of the muscles. Please give these progressions to rolling a try. See if it helps. Let us know what you think and leave us some feedback in the comments box below. Once again, please like and subscribe, and we appreciate the support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.